tutorial will guide you through different types of withdrawals in the cash book module in SYSPRO, including posting to a job and enabling foreign currency. This tutorial will include the following: adding a reconciled withdrawal, no check required, posting an unreconciled withdrawal to a job, enabling foreign currency cash book, and lastly, adding a foreign currency withdrawal to a local bank. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to continue with the cash book module, and this is part 2 of transaction processing. Let's get started. We're going to start by going to cash book, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to go to deposits and withdrawals. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On bank, we're going to enter our bank code, then we're going to tap off. Then we're going to click add on this pane right here. Okay, perfect. On the second pane that just popped up on the screen, we're going to then come to the transaction type, and we're going to click the downward arrow to select withdrawal reconciled. Okay, perfect. Then here we're going to enter our reference for this withdrawal, and we're going to then enter the amount. Okay, then we're going to enter our narration. Perfect. Local currency, we're going to leave it at local currency, that's fine. Then we're going to come to withdrawal information, and we're going to click on the downward arrow, and we're going to select no check number required. Okay, great. Then we're going to go to the GL distribution, and we're going to now enter our ledger code. Then we're going to tap off, and the amount is already there, as well as the description for the GL code. Then we're going to tap off to enter our text code. The one that is selected is the one that we want, so we're not going to change anything there. Then we're going to tap off to enter our notation. Perfect. Then we're going to click on the save icon, and we're going to click OK. And we're going to close this pane right here, as well as this program. And there we have our journal entry, and that is how you add a reconciled withdrawal with no check required. We're going to start by going to cash book, and we're going to go to transaction processing, then we're going to go to deposits and withdrawals. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On bank, we're going to enter the bank code, then we're going to tap off, then we're going to click on add. Then the next pane will pop up on our screen. On transaction type, we're going to click on the downward arrow to select withdrawal and reconciled. On reference, we're going to then enter our reference. Perfect. Then on amount, we're going to enter our amount. Then we're going to tap off to enter our narration. Okay, great. Then we're going to tap off all the way to our withdrawal details to now enter our check/EFT number. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to click on GL distribution, and we're going to now click on post to job. Our direct posting to a job window is going to pop up on the screen, and here on job, we're going to enter our job number. Then we're going to tap off, and we're going to click OK. We're going to deselect purchase order required, and we're going to deselect subcontract operation. Then we're going to click on enter direct details. Then on non-stock code, we're going to enter our non-stock code. We're going to tap off to now enter our description. Our description is going to be perfect. On product class, we're going to select our product class. Then we're going to tap off to enter the quantity to be issued. Okay, then the value of issue, we're going to leave it there. Then we're going to click on issue to job. Then we're going to click no, and we're going to click OK. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to save. Click the save icon first. We're going to click OK. Then we're going to close this program. Close here, then close this program. And there we have our journal entry below. And that is how you post an unreconciled withdrawal to a job. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you an opportunity to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. So for this example, let's just say we want to add a foreign currency withdrawal to a local bank. However, we haven't yet enabled the foreign currency in the cash book module. So we're going to go to cash book, and we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to go to deposits and withdrawals. I'm just going to quickly maximize the screen, and on bank, we're going to enter our bank code, then we're going to tap off. Then we're going to click on the add button, and then the next pane will pop up on our screen. As you can see, where we have currency options, it's grayed out. We cannot select a foreign currency. To enable this, we're going to close this program. Let's close here first. Close this program, and then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to go to setup options. And I'm just going to maximize my screen. There we go. We're going to go to preferences, and we're going to go to financials, and we're going to select cash book. And here we're going to now enable foreign currency cash book required. Then we're going to click on save and exit. Again, remember, any changes you make in your setup options, you have to exit in order for them to be effective. So we're going to click OK. I'm going to quickly log out. Then we're going to log back in. Okay, then we're going to go to the cash book module, and we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to go to deposits and withdrawals, and we're going to enter our bank code. Then we're going to tap off to click on add, and just quickly maximize this. And as you can see here on currency options, our currency is now enabled. We are able to select a foreign currency, and that is how you enable foreign currency in the cash book module. We're going to start by going to cash book, and we're going to go to transaction processing. Then we're going to go to deposits and withdrawals. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On bank, we're going to enter our bank code, then we're going to tap off, and we're going to click add. Then a pane is going to pop up on our screen. Then on transaction type, I'm going to click on the downward arrow and select withdrawal unreconciled. On reference, we're going to enter our reference. Then we're going to tap off to enter our amount. Then we're going to tap off to enter our narration. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to come here to the currency options to select a different currency. So we're going to select euros and we're going to enter the exchange rate. Perfect. Then we're going to come to withdrawal details, and on withdrawal information we're going to click on the downward arrow to select no check number required. Okay. Then we're going to click on GL distribution. Then we're going to enter our ledger code. Then we're going to tap off, and then we have our amount as well as our text code, which we're not going to change. And on notation, we're going to then enter notation if we want to. Let me just... Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to click OK. Perfect. And we're going to close this pane right here as well as this program. And there we have our journal entry, and that is how you add a foreign currency withdrawal. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.